Welcome. In this video I will show you how to connect Bluetooth headphones to your Motorola Moto G10. First of all, we're gonna have to open Settings and then go to Connected Devices. Now, to pair your device, tap plus icon, but before you do that, make sure that your Bluetooth device is in pairing mode. Usually Bluetooth devices start flashing rapidly when they are in the pairing mode, and I cannot tell you exactly how to put them in pairing mode, so if you want to learn about how to do it with your device, check the manual to it, and once you're ready, just tap plus and select your device from the list, then tap pair to confirm, and right now your device is connected. Now if you want to disconnect it, you can either do this by disabling Bluetooth in the control center, or by selecting your device in here and selecting disconnect. And if you want to unpair your device completely, tap forget device and confirm. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.